Hi there, in this part you will learn how to delete one or all tasks from bin folder. First of all, we will need another function in the Firebase repository file. This update function is clear for you, so I copy and paste it. I modified a little. In the previous update function, we had just done the following things. We found a collection of docs of a user by the user email, and load collection of docs to the final variable named data. After that, we found a special task by its ID and updated it. But now we just call the delete function instead of updating it. That's all with this file. And in the task BLoC file, we just called the delete function. Now go to task tile file, and here we call getAllTasks event. So let's test it. I just delete the task 2. It goes to the bin folder. And here I press the delete forever button. Let's check the Firestore. As you see, there is only the task 1 here. So, next. Now we implement the delete all task function. Again, go to repository file. First, we implement it here. The delete all task function requires a list of tasks. And inside try-catch block we create final variable. And load the collection of docs of the user. Almost the same steps until here. Now we need for each loop. Inside the for each loop we get all tasks one by one from the task list. And delete them like we did above. Now in the task BLoC file we call the delete all function providing with the all removed tasks. So a little challenge for you. How we can provide the all removed tasks easily? Pause and think a little. So 3, 2, 1. I tell the answer. We just send the state.removed tasks. This little challenge must be easy for you. Anyway, congratulations. I hope you all found the way. The delete all task pop-up is located in the app bar of the recycle bin folder. We call the getAllTasks here and that's all. I create some tasks to delete. They are here in the Firestore. And you can see that its deleted parameter is true in the task 4. And in the task 1 it's false. So I clean the bin folder. And they are also gone from the Firestore. It's working perfect. And that's all for this part. Ta-ta for now!